Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 26, 2025, we're analyzing the QQQ ETF, looking at both the latest news and the chart data. First, let's address some key headlines. According to recent reports, President Trump has delayed imposing tariffs on the EU until July 9th. This has resulted in U.S. equity futures and European shares experiencing gains. Additionally, all eyes are on Nvidia's upcoming earnings report, a crucial indicator for the AI sector's performance. This, coupled with Tesla's new buy point, suggests potentially bullish sentiment in the tech sector. Now, let's turn to the charts to see how these events are reflected in the QQQ's price action. We'll start by examining the daily chart to gain a broad perspective on the overall trend. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a pattern of volatility throughout the year. We've seen multiple rallies, followed by pullbacks, indicating a market that's sensitive to news and economic events. Zooming in on the more recent price action, we observe a consolidation phase with some choppy trading. The price seems to be hovering near the 509 level as of today. Now, let's examine an interesting section of these candles. This shows the price dropping to 509 range, which correlates with news of tariff delays. We can see that it's recovered to about 509.24 since then. Let's move to the hourly chart to get a clearer view of the short-term trend and potential support and resistance levels. If the news and overall market sentiment continues to be positive, we could see a push towards the 515 level, but a break below 505 could signal further downside. The hourly chart shows some volatility, especially on May 7th and 8th, before stabilizing around the 488 to 490 range and rapidly climbing again. Looking at the 15-minute chart can show us some more immediate price activity and any potential short-term trading opportunities. Here, we can see very recent downward momentum. We can see it's fallen to just above 509, so a break below 509 with a confirmation could mean more downward movement to come. But overall, this has shown to be pretty stable in this range, so a bounce is just as likely. In summary, keep a close watch on the $515 level as potential resistance and $505 as immediate support. Also note that any change of heart from Trump regarding tariffs would lead to immediate downward pressure on QQQ, and the earnings from Nvidia could cause major volatility in either direction. This is Explain the Charts. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is just analysis, not financial advice.